Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix SingPass error code 98-UP021. So first step is try logging in using their website. Now simply go to their website and log in to your account. Then they will send in an SMS or a SMS to your mobile number. Then simply verify it. And if still doesn't work, try reinstalling the SingPass app. After installing, simply log in again. If that didn't work, try this third method. Verify and update your mobile number. Ensure that your SingPass account is linked to a valid Singapore mobile number. Log into the SingPass portal. Visit www.singpass.gov.sg and log in using your SingPass ID and password. Navigate to My Account. Once logged in, go to the My Account section. Then Set Up 2FA. Under Set Up 2FA, ensure that your Singapore mobile number is correctly entered and verified. Confirm OTP delivery. You should receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. If not, request to re-tag your mobile number here. Last step is to simply contact SingPass support. Tell them the issue, every detail of the issue, and let them fix it or help you to fix it. And that's basically it.